All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the select menu. So if I go to the select menu, make sure Photoshop's open, of course. They have all deselect, reselect, inverse, all layers, deselect layers, find layers, isolate layers, color range, focus area, subject, select and mask, modify, grow, similar, transform selection, edit in quick mask mode, load selection, save selection, and new 3D extrusion. So if I do create new and I do the default Photoshop size, okay, select all, we've used this tool. So if you hit Control A, that's this right here, okay? Control D deselects, which is this. Reselect, if you hit Control Shift D, that'll reselect, and then Control D will deselect. Okay, so that's that. Inverse is Shift Control L, maybe I. Let's try I. All layers, deselect layers, isolate layers, color range. Okay. So that's really the selection tool. The selection tool is very important because you're using it on multiple layers. For this example, let's just do this. I'll change the color to that and do this, right? And let's say I want to copy this. So I'm going to hit Control A, Control C, Control D to deselect. Control Shift N for a new layer, paste it there. And then I'm going to change the color. Okay, so I need that select tool just for that. I mean, that's very important. You can select a mask. So we can do this. Let's just kind of do some wild stuff here. I'll hit OK. And now we mask the layer. Okay. Edit in quick mask mode. Okay. I'll do that, and let's do load selection. So I'll hit Control A, let's select it, and then let's load the selection. Okay, so no pixels were selected. You get the idea. Basically, I'm just showing you, how everything works here. If I go to the layer 1 and we do color range, right, we can adjust the color range a little bit. So that is the select menu. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.